Welcome to Unboxing Amazon, the video series that dives into Amazon's model to crack the secrets of its success. What's inside Amazon? What makes it tick? We've broken down the giant's accomplishment into 5 strategic foundations. Today we look into the underlying principle behind everything Amazon does, its client obsession. Amazon is obsessed. It really is. It's actually a little scary. Jeff Bezos himself actually said, "I constantly remind our employees to be afraid, terrified, not of our competition, but of our customers." It turns out that it's a sound strategy. Let us show you why. Let's start with Amazon's target, this girl. Well, it's actually more like this girl and these guys. This girl buys loads of stuff, but not on Amazon. She's never even tried. This guy already knows Amazon. He regularly purchases on the platform by logging on to his personal account. This buyer loves Amazon. He subscribed to Amazon Prime to get a better service. To please these customers, Amazon does things that seem a little, well, unusual, like significantly lowering its prices, sometimes sell products with negative profit. Now that's really weird, right? Or invest big money in stuff like 100,000 robots, 328 fulfillment centers, 50 cargo planes, 2 cargo hubs, and even drones to improve its customer experience. It may sound crazy, but you know what? It totally makes sense. Because the way Amazon thinks is this: as long as my client is happy and his needs satisfied, he'll keep coming back. And what does that mean? You got it, more money. Amazon's #1 goal is to maximize its average revenue per user, even if that means investing more on user advantages first, to increase their spending even more as a result. In the end, what matters most to Amazon is to take every client to the next level, basically turning these guys into this one. Remember, this girl isn't an Amazon client yet, so how can Amazon reach her? That's easy, by doing what it's always done, offering the widest range of products you can imagine, pricing these products at the cheapest rate it possibly can, guaranteeing a seamless experience from one-click shopping to fast and secure delivery. To date, Amazon has charmed over 300 million people in this way, and 1 million businesses. Okay, on to this guy. He's purchased on Amazon at least once and has opened a user account to do so. Amazon's goal here is different. It wants to turn him into an unconditional Amazon fan, kind of like his neighbor here. How? By leveraging data. Because Amazon gathers data about what he searches for, what he clicks on, what he buys, and that's how it can provide a highly personalized experience and push him to spend more. And it works. Today, 35% of purchases are made through Amazon's recommendation engine. Great, now he's a semi-Amazon fan. But is that really enough? It isn't. Indeed, Amazon has a great tool to finally turn this guy into a hardcore Amazon user. You guessed it, we're talking about Prime. Prime is the core of Amazon's model. If you understand it, you understand Amazon. So let's give it a go. Prime is an Amazon service that costs $119 per year and gives its subscribers many alluring advantages like free same-day delivery on over 100 million items, exclusive movies and TV shows on Prime Video, millions of songs on Prime Music, free ebooks and audiobooks, unlimited photo storage, and even in real-life advantages like whole food savings. Who wouldn't subscribe to Prime with so many benefits? All this costs Amazon billions of dollars. JP Morgan actually estimates that Prime advantages should cost $785, but they're priced at $119. Why would anyone offer such a large subsidy? Jeff Bezos has a plan. When we win a Golden Globe, it helps us sell more shoes. How so? Well, millions of customers subscribe to Amazon Prime precisely because of these numerous advantages and exclusive movies. Once they're in on all this, most of them stay members for years. And they end up spending on average 2.5 times more than regular Amazon users. So yeah, that's a lot of shoes. Today, Amazon counts over 100 million Prime members worldwide, and 64% of American households use Prime. No doubt about it. Prime is a very effective tool to build a giant loyal customer base. Okay, let's recap. The services provided by Prime attract new customers and encourage repeat purchases, which means more transactions and business opportunities on the marketplace, which attract more and more sellers, which means even more products are available at ever lower prices on the platform, which in turn attracts more customers. It literally goes on forever. But there's even more to this virtuous cycle. This loyal customer base is what Amazon sells its shareholders. Financial markets like its model so much that its market capitalization reached $1 trillion in September 2018. And it keeps on giving. These loyal customers give Amazon a crazy competitive advantage, which allows it to conquer new industries every day. Fashion, entertainment, grocery, advertising, even healthcare. Virtually any industry is Amazon's business, and yours could be the next one. So who's scared now? Don't worry, we've got your back. Here are 3 tips to thrive in the Amazon era. Think customer needs. Don't focus on your industry. Your customer's share of wallet is the new market share you want to conquer. Think average revenue per user. Analyze your business by customer segments rather than product types. And lastly, think data. To better know your customers and build a loyal customer base, data ownership is key. Thank you for watching this video. To unbox other Amazon secrets, subscribe to our channel below, or reach out to us to discuss the subject further.